Welcome back to Math Solver where math become easy and fun. In today's video we will solve Olympiad math problem that is 6 raised to power m equals m raised to power 18. You have to find the value of m. For this purpose we will solve this question step by step in a very easy and simple way. First of all we will write 6 raised to power m as equal m raised to power 18. In the next step, we will take power 1 over m on both sides. So 6 raised to power 1 over m equals m raised to power 18 whole power is 1 over m. So we know this rule that a raised to power m into a raised to power n equals a raised to power mn. So this will be multiplied m multiply 1 over m, and here we get 18 raised to power m. Now m and m are cancelled out and we have 6 1 equal m raised to power 18 by m. Now we will take power 1 over 18 on both sides. So 6 raised to power 1 multiply by 1 over 18 and m raised to power 18 by m power 1 over 18. So 6 raised to power 1 over 18, then we have m raised to power 1 over m. Now in place of 1 we can write 2. So 6 raised to power 2 dot 1 over 18, 2 by 2 into 1 over 18, and this is m raised to power 1 over m. Now this will be split as 6 square into 1 over 2 dot 18. So this is m raised to power 1 over m. So this will become 6 square is 36 and 1 over 36 equals m into 1 over m. So from this you can see that we have m value will be equal 36. So we will write the answer here. Now we will solve this verification is our answer is correct or not. So now we do the verification. In the left hand side we'll put 6 raised to power 36 and here we write m 36 raised to power 18. Now we will solve this as we write this 36 can be 2 multiply 18. So 2 multiply 18. So now we can also again apply the rule that 6 square whole power is 18. So 6 square is basically 36. So 36 raised to power 18. So by taking the left hand side we get the right hand side. It's mean that our answer is correct. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.